Good morning. Welcome to Prestech TV. Today we have another great way we are coming to make money online. Use your smartphone or laptop. Please take action now because this tutorial or this platform work worldwide and you can make thousands of money with this site. So without wasting my time, let me take you straight to the channel for you to also know how this application or this software work. Yes, the app name is Toloka. The app name is Toloka. Please subscribe to the channel for you to receive a valuable content like this. When we upload a nice video, we upload a video about how to make money online, business tips, and many more. So please don't forget to smash the like button and share to your friends for them to also know how to use or operate their smartphone. Yes, when you click the link in the video description below, it will lead you to Play Store for you to download the app. And when you register successfully, just a simple steps with your name and your email address, you'll be done with the registration, and the registration is also free. Yes, after you've successfully done with the registration, here is the interface or the dashboard of the app. We have tons of surveys and the tasks you can perform to make money online. So please don't forget to smash the like button as I said, and turn on the bell notification for you to be notified when we upload a new video. There are so many work here. You can make money online. You can use this site as your part-time and make tons of money here. Some require training. They will train you for some minutes. After that, you perform your task and collect your money. You can repeat the same work as many times as you want. The more you do the task, the more your money increases. See, adding a visualization of companies. That is the money you get per tax is 0.00 cent, 0.005 cents to 0.50 cents per day maximum. So you can make tons of money here. And this one to also talk about the product relevant to the query, and here is 0.02 cents. You can also make cool money from that. We have a lot of money which is online. And please, many people said online business or online work do not pay. Online work do really pay. When you don't perform or finish your task, they won't be paid. It's like you giving a job to someone and the person refused to work successfully. You won't pay the person. That's exactly what is applying online. The jobs online are also for people, and they hire you and I to work for them so that when everything is done, they will pay us. And this one too, the amount is 0.01 cents per tax after training, and per day you can earn a minimum of 27 cents in your account. So please again, just subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to turn on the bell notification when we upload a new video. And this tax also said that it is the ad relevant to the query, then the amount you get per tax is 0.01 cent, and per day maximum is $10.61. We have a lot of tax here which you can also make cool money from that. Check the similarities between two products, and this one is also 0.07 cents, and the maximum amount you can get per day when you do this task is 21.92 cents 21.92 cents, which is also cool for that. And please, as you know, all the dollar is always increasing. So even when you have $10 in your account right now, In Ghana, you have a money, you have money, you have money. So let me explain something to you here. This app, there are too many ways you can make money from this app. The first one is you performing a task and receiving or getting your money, and the second one is referring your friends to get money. So when you click the three dots in the upper left corner of the screen, three dots, you will see my money. Click on it. Yes, let me introduce this to you first. The withdrawal processes, you have the Papra, which is also a payment gateway for others, and you have the Payoneer. And the Payoneer is the best way to receive your money. You can withdraw your money into your Payoneer account, and from there you can withdraw from Payoneer to your bank account. If you want to know how to create a bank account, I'll leave the that video link in the video description, so that when you click on it, you watch and watch again, then you create a bank account for yourself using your smartphone. Yes, using your smartphone. When you click more here, when you click more here, then you click on referral program. You click on referral program. Sorry, you click on referral program. Yes, it says invite friends and get rewards. For each task successfully completed by a friend, you will get from 5% to 20% of the task price. So you can click on full terms and conditions for you to learn more. So after you've clicked on referral program, just click on invite friends. Click on invite friends. When you click on invite friends, yes, it will lead you to your social media channels on your phone. So I'll click on message. I'll click on message. I'll click on message. So the numbers in your phone, or the numbers that you've installed in your phone will pop up. So uh, uh, you can send to your lovers, anyone you want to send this, uh, anyone you want to send this number, this site to, so that you can copy or click the link. I'll click on this. So the moment you click on it, their link will come to the person dashboard. So when you click on send, it will go straight to the person, so that the person can click on it and register. And the after you send the link to him or her, you can tap and hold the message. Then when it becomes deep like this, you can click on copy. You can click on copy like this one. Yes, you can click on copy like that and send it to your friends on WhatsApp, and also use like a start. So when your friends click on start and register successfully, you can also get money from that. So please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification for you to be notified when we upload a new video. please, the Payoneer, how to create a Payoneer account. I'll leave the Payoneer link in the video description so that when you click on it, it will direct to their page for you to register successfully. And also when you use my link to register successfully, you get $25 in your account when you use the link to register successfully. So in case of anything, join my WhatsApp group and DM me for me to show you how to create a Payoneer account. Payoneer is the best way to receive your earnings in Africa, especially when you are in Africa, and also those countries which accept PayPal. You can create a Payoneer account and link your Payoneer account to your PayPal account so that you can withdraw your PayPal money to your Payoneer and withdraw into your local bank account successfully. So please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification. We have a lot of valuable content like this to share with you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.